In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text on GitHub. You might be aware that GitHub doesn't come with an inherent text highlight feature, such as a traditional yellow marker. However, there are other effective methods to emphasize or highlight your text when using GitHub Markdown, which we'll look into right now. First off, let's talk about making text bold. Bold text can truly make your words stand out, drawing attention to the most significant portions of your message. In Markdown, you can achieve this effect quite easily. Simply encapsulate your text with double asterisks. For example, if you were to type 2 asterisks at the beginning and 2 more right at the end of your chosen text, the text inside these symbols will appear bold. It's as simple as writing 2 stars, typing your text, and then closing with 2 stars again. This method is perfect when you want to emphasize important instructions or highlight key points in your documentation or comments. Next, we have italics. While italics may be more subtle than bold, they offer a stylish way of highlighting text that can be useful for emphasis without being too overpowering. In Markdown, italicizing text is as straightforward as bolding. To render text in italics, enclose your text with single asterisks. This technique is especially useful when you want to emphasize terms or phrases without drawing too much attention away from the rest of your content. For instance, maybe there's a term you're introducing in a technical document, and you want to subtly highlight it. All you need to do is place a single asterisk before and after your text, and it will appear italic. While GitHub may not offer an explicit highlight tool reminiscent of a highlighter pen, these techniques can help you emphasize text effectively. They are easy to implement and offer a layer of clarity to your communication on the platform. Whether using bold or italics, the choice depends on how much emphasis you wish to lend to your text. Now let's talk about why these techniques matter. In collaborative environments like GitHub, clear communication can make a significant difference. Using bold and italics helps guide the reader's focus, making sure that crucial information or distinctions aren't missed. It's about adding that extra layer of readability, ensuring that your message is conveyed precisely and efficiently. So there you have it, the art of emphasizing text in GitHub Markdown without the need for an actual highlighter. As you continue to work on GitHub, try incorporating these subtle yet impactful methods of text styling. By doing so, not only will you improve the readability of your content, but you'll also make your messages more compelling and clear to others who interact with your repositories. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful in highlighting and emphasizing text on GitHub.